All right, we're gonna switch it up today and switch from doing repairs and looking at different tools and things like that. And we're going to take the truck to a local show today. It's called the Fest, but people come from all over the country for it. So should be a pretty cool time. We're gonna see a bunch of different cool trucks. So let's hop in the truck. My buddy should be showing up in a few minutes. His truck, unfortunately, needs a bunch of work, and we just haven't got around to getting it worked on and getting it back on the road. So he won't be joining us in his truck, but he'll be joining today with me. But here we go. Let's go take a ride. Got the truck all cleaned up. And this will be a much shorter drive for you, about 10 seconds is all. It's about a 10-minute drive for me. I love his four-door.
Yeah, I know this guy. He's selling me some parts off of his. The spoiler and the bumper extension.
Should have brought one of the easy ups. It's a good.
I got two of them. I got three of them in my car right now.
You got three of them in your car?
Yeah. I got two 9x9s and a 12x12, but the 12x12 broke partially.
There's a spot over there. I don't want to get the truck all dusty. Shut that off, would you?
See, I seriously thought about selling mine and getting the box style Blazer. See if I can find one.
Damn, there's a truck. That thing's from Florida.
I'll be trailered.
Walking in here and just kind of admiring some of the trucks. It's just a sick Blazer there. A lot of cool trucks. From there we went inside. They had a big buffet line. The food was good, cheap. And everybody was just kind of hanging out, getting out of the sun. It was pretty hot that day. I think it was about 100 degrees, and really nice to chill out here and stay out of the heat. Had a big area for raffle, tons of different raffle prizes. I think tickets were about $10 for 10 tickets. Then we went ahead and moved outside again to check out some of the trucks. Stay till 3 for the raffle, I think.
Yeah, it's well.
I don't think I have luck to win anything, but we'll give it a shot.
Thought you win like 6 things.
They probably limit you to 1. You're walking right in front of the camera.
My phone wouldn't quit ringing for 45 minutes to an hour.
A dually one sometimes, so I already had the step-side bedsides. I went into LKQ.
You're turning it into a dually?
Yeah.
Oh,
I went
dude.
into LKQ and they had a step-side in there with no rust on the extreme.
Oh.
So I literally cut the bedsides off.
I'll figure it out, but see you, brother.
Yep, see you.
All right. Picking
They're
parts.
getting ready to do the raffle.
Well, that's it for the Fest 2025. We would have stayed a little longer and even rolled out to Bennie's Pizza downtown in Belleville for the cruise. But once the thunder started rolling in, a lot of us decided to call it a day. Overall, it was a great time. Been to some bigger shows like Camp and Drag, Relaxin in the Park, and even Mini Nats when it was back in St. Louis. And while this one isn't that size yet, it's definitely growing. Honestly, what I really liked was how much more intimate it felt. I could actually walk around, meet people, and have real conversations. Everyone was super chill and approachable. Being hosted right at his shop gave it that vibe, like we were all just old friends hanging out, catching up. It was a really nice change of pace. So, if you're interested in joining next year, check out the description below for the Fest's Facebook page. And give it a like so you'll know when the next show is. And don't worry, if you're out of the scene or you don't have a truck or car right now, you're still welcome to come hang out. I'll be posting more show coverage from past events and ones I hit next year, hopefully with some upgraded gear, and the camera will be a little steadier too. As always, thanks for watching. Drop a like, leave me a comment, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate the support, and I'll see you guys on the next one.